Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video Python program to find whether a number is power of 2. So let's start this program. In the first line, we have created a function using def keyword. This defines a function named power of 2 that takes one argument n. The function will determine whether the number n is a power of 2. Now, in the next line, n is greater than 0. This check if n is positive. Powers of 2 are positive. For example, 2, 4, 8, etc. So, this ensures the input is valid. N and n minus 1. Here, the AND operator performs a bitwise AND operation. In binary, powers of 2 have exactly one bit set to 1. So, subtracting 1 from the power of 2 flips all the bits after the single 1 to 1 and turns the 1 bit to 0. The bitwise AND of a power of 2 and 1 less than itself is always 0. In the next line, this prompts the user to enter a number using input. The entered value is converted to an integer using int and stored in a variable num. Here in the next line, the function power of 2 is called with num as argument. If the function returns true, the number is a power of 2 and the block inside the if statement prints. So, for example, it prints the given number is the power of 2. And if the number is not the power of 2, it will print the number is not the power of 2. Else block will execute. So let's check this program. I am entering a number 12. As everyone knows, 12 is not the power of 2. Once again we can check. I am entering 8. Hence 8 is a power of 2. So thanks for watching this video.